Neil with Vallejo, you're doing great. Keep it up. Come back anytime. Email freedom@charliekirk.com. The legendary Alex Clark.
and contact us today. epicmodulars.com.
Manufactured home dealer license DL1571946. Contractor license 587516.
Are you tired of residential tenancy laws in California and wish there was a better way to invest in real estate? Hi, I'm Matt Hagar, president of Intero Commercial East Bay. We specialize in helping residential property owners transition their portfolios into commercial assets leased to tenants such as Walgreens, Starbucks, and the U.S. government. These properties offer around 3 times the cash flow of a single-family investment, and all expenses are paid by the tenant. If you'd like to know more, visit Hagar.group. That's Hagar.group.
What aren't we being told about the COVID-19 scenario, about covert climate engineering operations that are wreaking havoc with weather all over the world, about the totality of unfolding and accelerating global environmental collapse? If you're willing to face and investigate shocking, verifiable realities that mainstream media sources and their distract and divide talking heads will never tell you, tune into the commercial-free, non-political Global Alert News Hour, Sunday, 4 p.m. on AM 860, The Answer. This is Dane Wigington from geoengineeringwatch.org.
With SRN News, I'm Tasha Stevens. According to the White House, President Biden would veto a package put forward by House GOP members to provide aid to Israel by using money originally intended for the IRS. The GOP package would provide over $14 billion in aid for Israel, but would cut IRS funding included in the Inflation Reduction Act. Pro-Hamas supporters interrupted a congressional hearing Tuesday on Israel and Ukraine funding. Secretary of State Antony Blinken was interrupted several times during his opening statement by demonstrators calling for a ceasefire in Gaza. 45 members of the Washington State National Guard were actually working to train soldiers. The members of the 506th Military Police Detachment have been trained for the mission at Texas Fort Bliss. When they arrive in Jordan, they'll join Operation Spartan Shield, which started in 2012. This is SRN News.
The Charlie Kirk Show on 860 AM. The Answer. It's time for a whole new generation to wise up and rise up. The Charlie Kirk Show.
Okay, in just a second, we have Alex Clark. Say hi, Alex.
Hello.
Alex Clark's show has taken off. It's really amazing. So stay right there for 1 second. Preborn. We can make a difference for standing for unborn life at preborn.org. Go to charliekirk.com, click on the preborn banner. In a job where states decide about abortion, and so many liberal states are taking extreme stands, even allowing abortion up to literally the second before a baby is born. Take a stand for life by providing an ultrasound for a young woman. When you do, she is twice as likely to choose life. $28 provides it on Napa. One baby, $140 saves lives. Call 833-850-229 or click on the preborn banner at charliekirk.com and give to $15,000 to provide an ultrasound that will save thousands of babies for years to come. Preborn banner at charliekirk.com. Check it out today. Support them. I give money to this organization, and you should as well. All right, Alex, welcome.
Thank you for having me.
We were talking about some very fun things. You are here first to talk about your show. So very well.
So I host the Spillover podcast. Once a week, I have an interview with somebody that has an amazing jaw-dropping story or expertise in something that typically is going to matter, educate, or entertain women. Primarily, that's my audience.
So you are a woman expert.
Well, I would like to say, since I am one.
She says she knows what a woman is. That crazy video that I have, by the way, you see that one with
Oh,
the,
yeah, fantastic.
Yeah, thank you. It couldn't have been scripted, but it's not to me. Okay, so there's this new poll. Now, the men one is actually not great either, but this is from Change Research, okay? So it's red flags in a partner, all right? So this is younger people, I think it's 18 to 25 that they were polling.
Yeah, and they just did this, I think, in August and September. This is
Okay, right.
brand new. It was like over 1,300 kids in that age group that they polled.
So what do you consider to be a red flag? 76% of women say that if a man says they identify as a MAGA Republican, that's a red flag. 66% they have no hobbies. 60% they say all lives matter, Alex,
Is a red flag to women.
is a red flag.